Hello, so today I'm going to teach you how to cite a book using Google. So you go to Google, you could go to search EasyBib on Google, and press the search button. Then it'll bring up this. Then you click on easybib.com. It's an easy way for you to create bibliographies for your papers, for any school-related papers you have to write or anything in which it will require citations. So for this example, we're going to be using a book, one of my textbooks. So you go click on the book tab in order to use the book for the book citation creation method. You can use any of these methods. You have to use the company information that they require. But for this, we're going to use a ISBN number, which you can find on the first one of your first 2 or 3 pages on a book that you have. For this one, we're going to use one of my textbooks. I've already typed it and pre-copied it, so I'm going to post that right there using Control V to post it. And you go over here, click Cite It. When it loads, then it will say gathering information, and then it'll come up with a list of book results using according to the ISBN number that you posted. So right here, the New Balance Literacy School Implementing Common Core. This is the book that I am looking for. So then you click on Cite This. Now, once it's done loading, it will automatically fill in your authors of your book. It will fill in the source title. Then you can find certain advanced information such as the volume, edition, or series, or the publication info. Some of that information you can find in your book on the inside. Right here we have Maupin House Publishing is who did it. So I would type in right here, I would type in Maupin House Publishing. That was in North Mankato, Minnesota, and this was in 2015. So once you have filled in the specific information, well, one last thing to add: if you're only citing a certain amount of pages, you can click here, and you can click a chapter or section or previous chapter or section. Then it'll bring up the appropriate form for you to fill in regarding that. So then you would go to here. Let's say we're only using the 5th chapter. So you would say chapter 5, which the title of chapter 5 is Collaboration Student Learning. So type that in there. Then you make sure, double check all your sources and everything. Everything looks ready to go. Once you're ready to create citation, you click Create Citation. Then it should be loading, and then here you go. Here's your MLA citation. If you want a different citation method, such as Chicago APA, you go up to here, you click on the appropriate button. So now, once you have your citation ready to go, you click Copy and Paste Citation. So that will, since it's copied, so now you're ready to paste it in your document. So let's say you go do. So now you go to docs.google.com if you're creating a new Google document. So now this is for using a Chromebook and using Google Docs to create a new page. So then you would click on a blank document. Once you do a blank document, then it should load up a brand new document for you to write your paper on or to fill your works cited in. Then, once it is finished loading, you will be ready to create your works cited. So you center it, works cited, and you just turn a few times, left centering, Then you Control V to paste your works cited. There you go. Now you have your works cited.